Easy American Buttercream. You'll need 4 sticks or 1 pound of butter, 8 cups or 2 pounds of powdered sugar, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of milk or heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Place your butter in your bowl, add your vanilla to it, and begin to whip. Whip it until it becomes lighter, and then scrape your bowl down. Whip it some more, and then scrape your bowl down again. Add the powdered sugar, about 1 to 1/2 cups at a time. Make sure to not start your mixer on high or it'll be all over the place. Scrape your bowl down again and continue adding alternately until you have all of your powdered sugar in. Then you can add your milk or your heavy cream, whichever one you used. Continue beating until it increases in volume and it is light and fluffy. This particular batch is a little bit thicker because I used it to practice with, but you can use more milk, it'll be fluffier, less milk, it'll be thicker. And that's how it turns out. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.